Welcome to the Aziot 7 Node I/O Smart Switch Installation and Configuration Guide. In this video, we'll walk you through the complete installation, wiring, configuration, and app setup process of the Aziot 7 Node I/O Smart Switch. Now switch off the main power supply before beginning any electrical work. Open the switchboard carefully and identify all the loads connected to the existing switches. Next, identify the neutral wire, inverter live supply, and raw power live supply inside the switchboard. The Aziot 7 Node I/O Smart Switch features a dual power input design. The inverter live input powers loads 1, 2, 3, and 4. These loads can continue to operate through your inverter backup system during power outages. The raw power live input powers loads 5, 6, and 7 directly from the mains supply. This allows you to separate critical loads and non-critical loads within the same switchboard for better power management. Connect the load wires according to the output sequence. Output 1 connects to load 1. Output 2 connects to load 2. Output 3 connects to load 3. Output 4 connects to load 4. Output 5 connects to load 5. Output 6 connects to load 6. Output 7 connects to load 7. The output wires are color-coded for easy installation. Black for load 1, brown for load 2, red for load 3, orange for load 4, yellow for load 5, green for load 6, and blue for load 7. Now let's connect the device. Connect the neutral wire to the neutral input terminal of the smart switch. Connect the inverter live supply to the inverter input terminal. Connect the raw power live supply to the raw power input terminal. Next, verify all wiring connections carefully before powering on the device. Make sure the neutral, inverter live, raw power live, and all load outputs are connected correctly. Load outputs 1 through 6 support standard household loads up to 10 amps. Output 7 is a dedicated high-capacity channel rated up to 16 amps. Switch the power back on. Once the device powers on, the status LED should automatically start blinking, indicating that the device is ready for pairing. If the LED is not blinking, simply toggle any one of the connected manual switches 7 to 8 times continuously. The device will enter pairing mode and the LED will begin blinking rapidly. Now open the Smart Life application on your smartphone. Ensure your phone is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and that Bluetooth and location services are enabled. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner of the Smart Life application. Select Auto Scan. The Aziot 7 Node I/O Smart Switch will be automatically detected. Tap the plus icon next to the detected device and select Go to Add. Follow the on-screen instructions and enter your Wi-Fi credentials. The application will now connect the smart switch to your network. Once the setup is completed successfully, tap Done. The Aziot 7 Node I/O Smart Switch will now appear on your Smart Life dashboard. From the application, you can independently control all 7 connected loads from anywhere. Turn devices on or off remotely, create schedules and timers, set up smart scenes and automations, and share access with family members. The inverter-backed and raw power load architecture allows better power management while maintaining seamless control through a single application. With Aziot 7 Node I/O Smart Switch, you get intelligent home automation, reliable connectivity, and complete control right from your smartphone. Integration with Alexa. Open the Alexa app. Bottom right, tap More. Tap on Skills and Games. Search for Smart Life app. Select App. Click Enable to use. Click Agree and Link. Wait for Smart Life to confirm linking. Click Next. Tap Close and let Alexa find your device. When a device to add is found, click Next. Select the common group you would like to add the device. Click Add to Group. Once the device is added to group, click Continue and Done. You can view all linked devices on Alexa showing their current state, that is on or off. Let's try controlling them with voice commands. Alexa, switch off fan. Google. Open the Google Home app. Tap the Settings tab in the bottom right corner under Services. Select Work with Google. Look for Smart Life in the search bar. Tap on the Smart Life logo that appears. Click Continue to proceed. Next, click on Agree and Link. Return to the home screen of the app. Tap on Devices. Refresh the page to update the device list along with their current status, that is on or off. Let's try controlling them with voice command. Hey Google, turn off fan.